What if your money worked for you even while you were asleep? Most people keep their crypto sitting in a wallet doing nothing. No growth, just waiting. In many parts of the world, putting money in a savings account earns you almost nothing and locks it up for months. Access to better financial tools is often blocked by location, by paperwork, by intermediaries standing in the way. DeFi changes that. In this video, you will learn 3 ways your digital asset can earn reward automatically on the blockchain. So what if you could swap any asset for any other asset instantly, directly from your wallet with no account required and no one standing in the middle? Quick note, this video is for education only, not financial advice. DeFi carries real risk. Always do your own research. We will cover 3 passive income methods: staking, liquidity pools, and lending. By the end, you will know how each one works. Think about how a regular bank works. You deposit money, they use it, and they pay you a tiny interest rate in return. DeFi removes the bank completely. Blockchain technology acts as the middleman, automatically, transparently, and for anyone. The first method is staking. Imagine pledging your coins to help a blockchain network run securely, like vouching for a trusted validator. In return for supporting the network, you earn reward tokens automatically just for keeping your coins staked. Ethereum is one example. The longer you stake, the more rewards can accumulate passively in the background. The second method is liquidity provision. Picture a community money pool. Everyone contributes tokens, and traders use it to swap. Every time a trader uses your pool, they pay a small fee. You automatically earn a share of that fee. Decentralized exchanges like Uniswap run entirely on these community pools. No human management, no headquarters, just code. The third method is lending. You loan your digital assets to a DeFi protocol and borrowers pay interest to use them. You never need to know the borrower. Smart contracts handle everything automatically and securely on the blockchain. The platforms like Aave make this possible. You deposit asset and interest starts building in your account in real time. Now, these opportunities come with real risk. Smart contract bugs can expose funds to hackers if a protocol is not secure. Liquidity providers face something called impermanent loss. When token prices shift, your return can end up lower than expected. Market volatility is real. Token values can drop fast. Understanding the risks before you participate is essential. DeFi is rewriting the rules of finance for the first time. Anyone with internet access can access a global financial system. Across Africa and many emerging markets, people are skipping traditional banking entirely and entering Web3 directly. Understanding passive income in DeFi is one of the most valuable things you can learn in today's digital economy. Learning in a structured community makes this journey easier. That is why communities like Creative Time Center exist to guide you step by step. Here is your question. Which DeFi method do you think gives the most sustainable passive income over time? Staking, liquidity, or lending? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you, a like takes 2 seconds and helps this reach someone who needs it. The future of finance is open. It is decentralized and it is available to you right now. See you in the next one. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment or legal advice. Crypto investment carries significant risks, so always do your own research and consult a qualified advisor before making decisions.